Alright y'all, so we are going to be doing a black business makeup tutorial. So we're going to be using only black products to do this face. And that just let me know when I was getting prepared for this video that I have a lot to add to my collection, because the amount I have is slim to none, and that's very disrespectful. So sorry in advance, but let's get into it. To begin, we're going to go in with Old Faithful, and we're going to go in with Juvias Place, and I'm going to go back and forth with these two palettes just to begin and start and form the base. Alright, so now that I've done my base transition, I'm going to go in with some other shades in the palette and just darken up that inner crease, because the look I want to go for, I want a very smoked out crease. As we continue to build in the inner shade, I'm going to go in with now a darker brown to kind of smoke out that crease. So before I continue to darken out the crease, I want to go ahead and put that base shade right here in the inner of my lid. So I'm going to go in with the Juvias Place concealer in the shade 14, and I'm going to go ahead and use that as the base. And usually what I do, instead of using like a setting powder to set the concealer, I go in with the eyeshadow base that is light that I want it to be, and I set it with that. That way it can still set the concealer, but also have that color that I want for that nude tone. That shadow is pretty much set, I'm going to go back in with the similar colors that I've just used in the corner of the crease, and I'm just going to blend out this little area because it's still looking a little harsh for me before I start to build that up. With my Morphe M330 brush, which is a more direct and precise brush, and I'm going to go in with the black from this palette, and I'm going to apply that in the inner of my lid.
hours later.
So to lighten up the inner parts of my lids, I'm going to go in with the matte book. It's also BlackOwned. It's old, but I still have it. So I'm going to go in with this very light shade here just to put on top of it. Try to see if I can get it a little bit lighter before I go to the next eye. Alright, so I finished this eye. I'm going to go off camera and complete the other eye, and then we're going to come back in to do the face.